like to congratulate you all because here are few selected people whom have been given the opportunity to join this family of Success Unbeaten and Bringle Academy. Bringle Academy is a wonderful platform which gives you 100% job assistance and is Bringle Academy UK Academy. So Success Unbeaten, that means I, Shilpi Upadhyay, and Bringle Academy is doing this venture for you together. Alright, so congratulations once again. Happy joining, happy learning. And today we'll talk about what is effective communication for success. Remember, communication for success. Okay, quickly write down your cities in the chat box. Please, let's start doing this. Like I am from Indore. I have written my city in the chat box. You also please put it down there. Ajmer, Kyavra, Kanpur, Pune. Great. Kerala, yeah, God's own country. Yes, Salcha, I remember you. You have been a very, very wonderful candidate during this. In fact, all of you. Raja Khera from Dholpur, Prachi Jan. Okay. So, great guys. Welcome. And let's start with this thing. But first of all, I would like to praise this virtual world, which is, making these connections so easy for us. And we can, connect easily with each other, which is wonderful. And this have not been possible at all if we would not have had these platforms. I would not have been communicating with you without these platforms. So definitely we shall appreciate this, that we have this wonderful virtual world with us, wherein we can communicate so easily and so wonderfully. Great. Okay, before I start with this session, I would like you all to do a small polling, small voting. So all of you, I would like to participate in a small quiz before we start with this communication session. And then we'll be starting with this thing. All right. So let me just share a link with you on your chat box and you'll have to vote in that. And it is a very simple question to answer. Why do we need to communicate? So 89% of you believe that developing relationships, creating happy social life, solving problems, achieving goals, moving ahead in life, in everything you need communication. So it is more like eating, bathing, cooking, right? So whatever soft skills you have, you need to have this soft skills, isn't it? So let's talk about communication. Achieving goals will rarely be, an easier target to get done if you start communicating effectively. So let's start talking about it now. What do you think? What is communication? Okay, I hope my slide is visible to everybody on the screen and you can see that what I have written over here. It is communication for success. All right. So when we talk about communication, it is communicating about you, what you are, how will you communicate yourself, what you're going to do, right? Whenever you are communicating with someone, it is important to understand that you are going to communicate you yourself. Till the time you are not able to communicate you yourself, you are not being sold, believe me. Yes, you're not being sold. Either you are going to do a business, you are going to do a job, you are going to, even ask for a date. Anytime and every time you need to communicate yourself. So communication is actually communication. All right. It is communicating you. All right, guys. Right. So communication is very important. Communicating yourself is very important. You really need to ingrain this thing in your brain that whenever you are communicating yourself. We don't need to communicate for others, but we really need to communicate for ourselves. This is very important. It is an age-old saying which I have written over here as well. Keep posting. I'm talking to you, but I'm reading your chat. That it doesn't matter what you say. What matters is how you say. But I totally deny it. I totally deny it. I say why you say it is really important. Till the time you don't know your why, you cannot understand what you are saying, why are you saying, how you are saying. So why, that purpose has to be there whenever you are communicating. बहुत बड़े बड़े लोग बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बातें कहते हैं and I agree and I appreciate with all. Heavy vocab words use करो, dictionary use करो. There shall be a lot of good things which shall be taken into account. But how will you communicate that when you yourself is not convinced? I don't believe that we should have a lot of heavy words in our dictionary. I don't believe it. Absolutely no. What is the objective of having those heavy words in your dictionary? Tell me. Until and unless you don't understand your words, the people whom you're talking is not able to understand your word, why do you want to do that? What is the reason behind it? I absolutely don't find any point. So we should always use the words which is easier to connect for other person. Okay, now let's talk about communication picture. What do you think that what is communication picture? Okay, so who will tell me? You can put it down in the chat box. What do you mean by picture? A photograph. What do you mean by that? All of you, please use the chat box and put it there. What do you mean by photograph or a picture? In your hand, अगर आपके हाथ में photograph होती है, so what is that all you connect with that picture? What is all you feel with that picture? एक picture के साथ अगर आपके पास में आपकी कोई ट्रिप की, कोई टूर की, कोई छुट्टियों की पिक्चर है, तो what is the feeling which you have there? Can anybody share? बड़े बड़े लोग बहुत बड़ी बड़ी बातें कहते हैं and I agree and I appreciate with all. Heavy vocab words use करो, dictionary use करो. There shall be a lot of good things which shall be taken into account. But how will you communicate that when you yourself is not convinced? I don't believe that we should have a lot of heavy words in our dictionary. I don't believe it. Absolutely no. What is the objective of having those heavy words in your dictionary? Tell me. Until and unless you don't understand your words, the people whom you're talking is not able to understand your word, why do you want to do that? What is the reason behind it? I absolutely don't find any point. So we should always use the words which is easier to connect for other person. Okay, now let's talk about communication picture. What do we understand by communication picture? Who can put it in the chat box? What do you think that what is communication picture? If you don't understand communication picture, at least tell me what is a picture? What is a photograph? Hello? Yes?
Listening, messaging.
I'm unable to hear you. Beta, can you come again? I'm unable to hear you. Can you be a little louder? Okay, so who will tell me? You can put it down in the chat box. What do you mean by picture? A photograph? What do you mean by that? All of you, please use the chat box and put it there. What do you mean by photograph or a picture? Very good, Akhil. Akhil सबसे पढ़ा लिखा लड़का क्लास में हमेशा से रहा है. I appreciate you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Most welcome. Transmitting information through various channels. I would request all of you to please use more of the chat box, and we'll talk in the last 15 minutes for sure. Listening, messaging. I'm talking about that. Obviously, these whole things involved in communication. What else you think is involved in communication picture? Full duplex mode. Great, Gayatri. Great. Okay. So whenever we are talking about communication picture, it is really, really important to understand that if you hold a picture in your hand, अगर आपके हाथ में photograph होती है, so what is that all you connect with that picture? What is all you feel with that picture? एक picture के साथ अगर आपके पास में आपकी कोई ट्रिप की, कोई टूर की, कोई छुट्टियों की पिक्चर है, तो what is the feeling which you have there? Can anybody share? So when you have that connectivity associated to that picture, please understand that communication is all about building a connect, building a rapport. Nobody will like to understand to you, will like to talk to you till the time you are not able to convince that person. Till the time you're not able to build a rapport with that person, no one is interested in listening to you. All right. So communication starts with from the very first step where you are connecting with the person, creating and building a rapport with the person. Okay. So communication has to be most importantly where you have created a rapport with that person. Now, if we talk about communication, first thing which is very important is your why. What is the purpose of your communication? Right now, I want you all to put in the chat box that why are you attending this class? What is the purpose to understand effective communication for success? What is your purpose? What is your that one why for which you want to understand this effective communication for success? All of you, please start putting it in the chat box. Why do you want to understand effective communication for the success? What is your purpose? Okay. So before going ahead, I would like to introduce myself, though you all know me, but because we are now I like to introduce myself. I am Shilpi Upadhyay, motivational speaker, trainer, soft skill coach, corporate sales trainer, graphologist, parenting coach, and a spiritual healer. And today we are talking on the topic, as you have already guessed, communication for success, effective communication for success. Now we are starting that totally. We have done a polling with you. We have understood that communication is important for all of us. So we need to understand communication, right? I think that he was very, very committed to what he wanted to do. He has very clear sense to his why. He was always sure that he doesn't want to waste any time because he wanted to go on the height. That was all he wanted to do. And he was very committed for all these things. All right. And that is the reason we need to have our whys in the place when we are talking. If you don't have your why in the place, you cannot succeed anywhere. I have got a wonderful answer from Akhil. We are living in high competition, so grow fast before your competitor will get all the opportunity of yours. Wonderful, Akhil. Very well done analysis. It is very right that yes, you need to grab the opportunities. But how will you grab the opportunity? Unless you don't know what you're going to do, why you're going to do. Unless you don't know your focus. Communication sirf bolna nahi. Communication is when your whole body is talking, your whole face is talking, your expressions are talking, when things around you are talking. Communication is not only holding high vocabulary words. Again, I'm repeating. Communication is how well you are communicating those words. So please understand, when you will have your why in place, then only you will be able to communicate effectively. Your why shall be energized. Your why shall have that energy, shall have that inspiration. That why do you want to communicate? Do you want to get a job? Do you want to start any new sales project? Do you want to get some government project? Do you want to achieve some target? What is there? For what you want to communicate? Just communicating is not important, but communicating importantly is important. And what is important? That should reflect from your body language, from your facial expressions, from your hands. And believe me, when you know what is important, you will gain knowledge. You will be 100% confident because you know this is what I have to speak. Let's take an example. When we go for an interview and we are being told to introduce ourselves. Okay, we start introducing ourselves. And we do not have a set agenda that why are we introducing ourselves? What do you really want to tell when you want to introduce yourself? When an interviewer is asking you questions, then what are you thinking? Yaar, ye job mujhe mil jani chahiye. Yaar, ye job mujhe mil jani chahiye. But why do you want that job? What is the importance of getting that job? Why do you want to survive in that organization? What is the objective? You forget about that. Remember, when you have your why in your place, you'll definitely be in a position to communicate best. You need to have your subject very well, about which you are talking, about the thing you are talking, about the topic you want to discuss. you need to at least have 2 or 3 points in your hand, which are very valid. When I talk about introduction, I give an acronym to the people who are taking regular classes. That acronym is SEAT. SEAT. Can anybody tell me what does this acronym stand for? If you can guess, what does this acronym SEAT stand for? If you want to prepare answer for your introduction, you need to follow this acronym SEAT. SEAT. So what does this stand for? This is an acronym to prepare your introduction. This gives you a frame. So what does this stand for? Today, days are gone when we used to put a lot of career objectives. Okay? We do not used to put a lot of career objectives now. Why do we need that career objective to put now in your resume? Everybody knows career objective copy kiya hua hai. Yahan se mara, wahan dala hai tumne. Why do you want to put that? So your communication has to be such strong. Either you are writing, either you are speaking, either you are talking, if you are walking, your communication has to reflect. When we talk about body language, what is body language? Body language is not only holding your hands or opening your hands. It is the gesture, the way you are talking. All right. This stands for skill. If you're experienced, then your experience or your education, achievements, and the type of a person you are. Why you need to tell the type of a person you are? Because you actually need to tell what you are communicating about yourself, what you're talking about yourself. If you're going with your resume to the interviewer, you need to understand that on which point what I need to answer, so that I can tell my skill set very, very clearly, so that I can talk about the way I want to be treated in the organization. So you really need to have knowledge about your subject. You really need to have your why in the place. You really need to be focused. And let me tell you, this why will continue till last. This why will not go away. Okay, let us take a short poll wherein I want to understand that what do you think of perception? Is perception made by you or is perception made by someone else? Let me take you through a short poll. 33% of you have agreed on direct attention to specific stimuli. Process of understanding and observing and forming belief is 67%. Selecting and choosing as to a belief is 11%. All right, guys. Now let's understand this thing very clearly, that when we are talking about perception, perception is what you are creating. Perception is what you are sending in somebody else's mind. Perception is always created by you, and perception is always result of specific stimuli, what you are creating. See, understand, इसको एक छोटे से example से समझते हैं हम लोग. We'll understand it this way, कि whenever you want to create an impression on your girlfriend or your boyfriend, क्या होता है? How do we do it? Do we ever think कि वो मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेगी, या हमारा टारगेट क्या होता है कि यार वो हमारे बारे में ऐसे ही सोचे? क्या होता है? What is the target? When we want to make somebody good friend, what is our target? We create that perception, isn't it? Yes or no? Create perception for ourselves when we want to, make someone friend of us. Yes?
Yes.
Yeah. So don't you think that we can create a perception? See, whatever you are communicating, whatever you are talking, however you are talking, again I'll come to why. That is creation of your perception. Your perception is always created by a specific stimuli to which you give result. Your perception is always made by the actions, by the thoughts, by the process you are carrying. Believe me, guys, nowadays, 45% of recruiters see social media for hiring people. 45% of recruiters see social media for hiring people. And why do they do that? Because they want to have that perception, they want to have that set of connection, they want to know about your participant. So communication is not only where you're sitting and talking, but communication is everywhere, wherever you are present. Understood? So through communication, wherever you are communicating, you are being always heard. You are being always heard. So we really need to understand. We really need to understand that you always create your own perception. Problem is, and also you need to understand that whenever you want to create your perception, you need to have something which is backed by data, which is backed by statistics. Whenever you are talking for the perception, for example, if you have prepared your, I shall say, covering letter, or if you have prepared your entry speech is what you are going to talk about yourself, what you are going to talk about your skill set, what you are going to tell people about you, that how should they think of you. You need to have various set of activities, examples, and the data backed by you. You need to have that. I'm telling you again and again that whenever you are writing, whenever you are speaking, whenever you are making something, you need to have relevance built in all these things. You need to have that why associated everywhere. You need to have that why associated everywhere. Because once you have that relevance in your connections, for example, जो आप बोल रहे हो, अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि you are very good at programming, and if you're showing the same thing at your LinkedIn pages, your Facebook pages, your Instagram pages, probably chances of attracting recruiters to your page are much more. Much more, because your why, your reason that you want to be a program developer, you want to be a software developer remains intact. If you want to create your own sales page and you want to be highlighted as the best salesperson, and you are sharing lot many things, lot many achievements, lot many related things on your pages, through your communication, through your talks, then definitely chances of you getting into a good company are much, much higher. For example, if I am talking one day about Shah Rukh Khan's movie and other day about Salman Khan's movie, and then probably you want me, and then I want to be, one of the person who might be treated as a trainer, it is not possible, because my communication is varying from every platform. Why I'm taking this point is very important, because I want you all to understand that there is something very important which this data shows. All right, 87% of the recruiters still look people on the LinkedIn. If you guys remember, I have given yesterday in my post that do you consider that recruiters reconsider through your social media profile, and I have got 100% no voting. But people, believe me, 55% recruiters reconsider their candidate from the social media profile. From the social media profile you have. 93% of the hiring managers review candidates' profile, social media profile before making a decision. This world has turned virtual. Earlier it was 5 to 10 minutes आपके impression बनाने में लगते थे. अभी 5 से 7 सेकंड है बॉस, 5 से 7 सेकंड में आपका impression बनता है. All right, 56% of recruiters, they find their best candidates through social media, and 96% of recruiters, they use social media in their recruitment efforts. So guys, this is very important to understand that what you are delivering, where you are delivering, and how you are delivering. Because if you are not delivering things properly, effectively on each of the platforms, there are various channels, various platforms through which you are communicating. If you are not in that right frame of mind, if you're not actually delivering everything with a related why, then believe me, things are not going to work out for you. Things are not going to work out for you. Abhi, I was, going through somebody else's profile. I don't know. उसमें था तू मेरे पास आके जुदा हो गई, खुदा करे ऐसा हो जाए और खुदा करे वैसा हो जाए. यार खुदा करे तो खुदा तुमको नौकरी नहीं दिलाएगा. So guys, understand. शायरिया बहुत अच्छी बात है, दिल का दर्द निकालो वो उससे भी अच्छी बात है, मतलब बहुत ही मजेदार बात है. सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म पे 2-4 वो भी आ जाते हैं, चैट बॉक्स में पूछ भी देते हैं दोस्त कि क्या हो गया यार, क्या बात है, चली गई क्या तेरी वाली, चला गया तेरा वाला, वो सब हो जाता है. या बट समझो कि you need to have your professional pages separate. You need to have your professional pages separate. You need to take out the trash. You need to take out the trash from all of your places, from your mind, from your body, from your words, whenever you are communicating. हम जब इंट्रोडक्शन भी देते हैं तो इतनी सारी चीजें जो कि हमारे लिए जरूरत नहीं होती वो हम एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. हम कवरिंग लेटर लिखते हैं तो भी हम बहुत सारी चीजें जो हमारे लिए जरूरत नहीं होती है वो हम एक्सप्लेन करते हैं. हमारे रेज्यूमे में भी कैसे कई सारी ऐसी अनवांटेड चीज होती है जो हमको हटाना है. तो आवर कम्युनिकेशन हैज टू बी वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, वेरी वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. एंड एक चीज और ध्यान, जो ऑडियंस होती है जो हमसे सुनने आई है वो तो उनसे भी बड़ी गधी है. This is all it is being communicated to us since very childhood. But understand, इस course of action में हम कभी भी ध्यान अपने ऊपर नहीं देते हैं. We never pay attention on ourselves. We always pay attention कि अगला गधा है. अगला गधा है तो बॉस उस पर इतना ध्यान मत दो. Why are you paying so much of attention उस गधे पे? So it is very important to understand that we shall pay attention on ourselves. That what do you want to deliver? वो गधा है उसको छोड़ दो. But please prepare your outline. Maintain your points. Maintain your visual. What you want to deliver. Maintain your dressing. These all things are very, very important. Great. So when we talk about body language, see, to teach, obviously, I also tell you, and there are lot many people who tell you lot many things कि यहाँ हाथ मत लगाओ, कान में हाथ मत लगाओ, मुंह में हाथ मत लगाओ, नाक में हाथ मत लगाओ, और बहुत सारी चीजें होती है क्योंकि इनके अलग अलग मीनिंग होते हैं. But please understand, along with all these meanings, you need to spread to the world. Be free. Be the self you are. Alright, that is very important. आप सब लोग मैटर और एनर्जी का कंसेप्ट जानते हो. पीपल हु आर हियर फ्रॉम साइंस, आई थिंक यू ऑल मस्ट बी नोइंग द कंसेप्ट ऑफ एनर्जी एंड मैटर. यस और नो? द कंसेप्ट ऑफ एनर्जी एंड मैटर. Okay, great, Neha. Anybody else? Only Neha knows about the concept of energy and matter. I got your answer. Okay. See, when we talk about energy and matter, please understand, anything which has matter, if you put some energy, it changes its shape. It changes its shape. And why does it changes its shape? Because it get that energy, it get that, support. So if you have your matter, if you have your communication, if you have your focus in place and your energy, your body language, which shall obviously be free, creates wonders. Creates wonders. What I want to tell you today is do not rest. बोलना है, अपने आप को रेस्ट्रिक्ट मत करो, अपनी आउटलाइंस प्रिपेयर करो, जो भी बात करनी है उसके बारे में थरो रहो. इफ यू वांट टू टॉक अबाउट योर रेज्यूमे, यू शैल बी वेरी थरो इन एवरी ऑफ द पॉइंट. जरूरी नहीं है कि तुम बहुत लंबा वोकैबुलरी ऐड करो, बट बहुत जरूरी ये हो जाता है कि तुम जिस चीज के बारे में बात करो उसके बारे में थरो हो और अपना आउटकम आपको पता होना चाहिए. व्हाट इज योर आउटकम? व्हाट यू रियली वांट टू डू? सी पीपल, टाइम हैज गॉन. जब हम हैंड रिटन रेज्यूमेस पे चलते थे, दोस टाइम हैज रियली गॉन. Now it is important to understand that we have time of video profiling. Now video profiles बन रहे हैं and companies are accepting those video profiles. थोड़े दिनों में जो आने वाला टाइम है अपने सामने, which is the current trend of 2020, is people are using more of the automated tools. People are using social websites to select whom they want to hire. In fact, employees, they select that where do they really want to be hired. They select their company where do they want to be hired. If you are a housewife, you are using social media. If you're a student, you are using social media. If you're a recruiter, you are using social media. So time has come for video. Time has come for video profiling, and which is a very in-depth thing to do. आप video profile बहुत लंबा नहीं बना सकते. आप 5-7 मिनट का नहीं बना सकते, 10 मिनट का नहीं बना सकते. You need to have a very crisp video profile. Just of 3 minutes, 2 minutes, maximum 4 minutes, in which you want to tell everything about you. क्योंकि कोई 2 से 3 मिनट से ऊपर आपको देखना नहीं चाहता, आपको सुनना नहीं चाहता है. Fine, they want your crux in those 2-3 minutes. So it is important to understand that this is the time when you should make your video profile, when you should create your video profile, and you should share it in the market. And understand, whenever you are creating your video profile, whenever you are putting your handles there, it is again important कि वो आपके social media pages से, वो आपके resume से, which is your hard copy, and with whatever you are talking, उससे match करना चाहिए. Your voice shall always be in place, because अगर आपके voice place में नहीं है, तो believe me, आप कहीं, and then it takes a toll on your authenticity as well. So it is very important to understand that your voice shall match. Your voice shall be in the place. Alright? So today I have just tried to give you a gist that why do we need to communicate effectively, efficiently, and why do we really need to understand that why communication is important, and that too, one sort of communication is important. You can communication every now and then. You need to have your why in the place. So this was being told to you today, and we have upcoming workshops wherein we are going to tell you about how to make your video profile, what shall be the process of searching of a job if you're going to do cold calling. What shall be your process of doing cold calling if you're going to do profiles? You really need to have those LinkedIn profiles in your place. And I'm so happy that I've seen few of my students posting on their LinkedIn profiles very related things, but then that is very less. Other than certifications, other than few projects what you are doing right now, you don't put anything much. But I really want that you should put through which your personality is being gained, because I have already told you that these days communicating your emotional intelligence, your IQ, the connectivity which you can build with a team is very, very important. If you are not doing that, if you're not creating that, believe me, you are stopping your recruitment. So it is very important to understand that you build your social media profile which communicates you totally. Because I'm again and again telling you that communication is communication, where you create a build, where you create a connection with some person, where you talk to some person, where you create a rapport with some person, and then you give your deliverables. Because when you create a rapport, when you create a connect, then your deliverables are always right into the place. And you also need to understand that what that person wants and what you are going to communicate. So why is very important and in the place. Guys, I hope you like today's session and you understand that communication is not only about speaking, not only about your vocab, not only about your pronunciation, but communication is always about communicating you through your voice. So I hope you liked it, and I want to tell you that we are coming up with a program that is Get Job Fit with Shilpi, and it will not only ensure that you shall be hired, but it will take you to the corporate. All right, but first I would like to have any questions if you have in your mind, any questions if you want to ask me. If you want to ask something, you can ask here. I hope you like the session. मैंने आप लोगों को बच्चों की तरह टिप्स नहीं दी हैं कि ऐसे बोलो, ऐसे करो, ऐसे उठो, बट मैंने आपको बताया है कि अगर आपका वाई प्लेस में है तो आपकी बॉडी भी वही बात करेगी, एक्सप्रेशंस भी वही बात करेंगे, आपका नॉलेज भी उसी पे बेस्ड रहेगा, एंड देन नोबडी कैन डिमीन योर कॉन्फिडेंस. योर कॉन्फिडेंस इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. If you have that confidence in your place, believe me guys, आपको कम्युनिकेशन क्लासेस की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको किसी से भी ये नहीं पूछना है कि मैं कैसे कम्युनिकेट करूं. आपको सिर्फ ये समझना है कि कैसे मैं उस जगह पहुंचूं कि वहां से मेरा रेज्यूमे सिलेक्ट हो जाए, वहां से मैं हायर कर लिया जाऊं. बट कम्युनिकेशन हैज टू बी वेरी 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 नेचुरल प्रोसेस which you are doing, right? And which you have to do. Communication cannot be taught and trained. नहीं तो इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग क्लासेस जो है ना बहुत ज्यादा चल रही होती है और आप भी उसमें से एक कैंडिडेट होते. So communication is not only about English speaking. Please understand this thing. Guys, you have already seen in your chat box that so we are coming up with a program which is actually costed at 2,500 rupees. But today and tomorrow, if you take registration in that program, believe me, it is just for rupees 350. And if you take admission day after tomorrow and tomorrow, it will be 499. But after this 4 days, you have to pay 2,500 rupees. That program constitutes creating your video profile, creating your value proposition, that how you can give your communication that is valuable. Third important thing that will have, how you shall apply for the job. Fourth, personalized resume making. If you have any changes in your resume, that would be done on one-to-one mentorship basis. Fifth, definitely we'll be working on covering letter, all right? And you'll be getting certifications for any such workshop from Success Unbeaten and Brindle UK Academy. So all these things have various mentors, various one-to-one mentoring will be done with you. And as of now, we have got this is in early bird offer. So if you want to register for such, please you have a link in your chat boxes. Register for that, pay for that, because this 2,500 rupees will be back again after 4 days, which I'll be charging only for 5 days. And as of now, 5 days program is just for 350 rupees for today and tomorrow. And after tomorrow, for next 2 days, it will be of 499 rupees. So I would want you all to register and add some value to your profiles. Level 2 is after this is the level 1 for which I have told. All right. Please do share the screenshot whenever you have done your payments. For level 2, this is the level 1 of which I'm talking, wherein I'll be telling you creating your video profile. Your video profile points will be given to you so that you can make your video profile very, very valuable based on the skill set you want to highlight and based on the industry you want to go. We'll be creating your resume on the basis of the industry. We'll be creating your covering letter on the basis of the industry. You will be getting lot many techniques to answer the questions. A book which is being written by me, in which you have only interview questions and various techniques. That book would be totally free of cost to you. And then you will be getting the process that how to apply into the company. This is a level 1 workshop for which today and tomorrow you have to pay only rupees 350. Otherwise, it's costed for 2,500 rupees. In level 2 workshop, what do you have is your analysis of your skill set. Understand, sometimes what happens is, we might be suitable for another skill set, but we might be working somewhere else. And where we are working, we do not have those skill sets. So in level 2, we'll talk about your skill set. In level 2, it is a much broader program, which will be only after level 1. Because we'll take you step by step. Then we even have a program which will make you first-time manager. So for now, level 1 is the thing which you should take, which you should register, and you should join. All right. Once you are done with joining, once you're done with payments, please do share your payments link so that we can start training you. We can start making you job fit. We can start taking you to the corporate. All right. And एक चीज और मैं कहना चाहूंगी, आप लोग बहुत हेवी बुक्स के नाम भी निकालते हो जो आप पढ़ते हो और जिससे आपको लगता है कि आप you'll improve your communication. बट मुझे आप में से ऐसा कोई बंदा बता दो जिसने उन बुक्स को पढ़ के अपना कम्युनिकेशन इंप्रूव करा है. I really want to know. Anybody of you who have improved your communication only after reading those books? ये नहीं होता है. Nobody can take improve communication only after reading book, because till the time you won't practice, till the time you won't exercise on yourself, you cannot improve your communication. Communication has to be always from the heart. That communication has to be there. All right. Okay. Communicate दिल से करो और खुद को communicate करो. कहीं से knowledge लेके कि मुझे ये heavy words बोलने हैं, मुझे ये language बोलनी है, मुझे technical चीजें बोलनी है, that will not really make any sense, all of you. Thank you guys. So we'll be logging off for the day. All right. You can tell me what is the next webinar you want to attend. We can talk on that. You can ask for the details of this level 1 program so that you can try attending that program and working on your profile, which will definitely help you in being corporate ready.